Oh, hello. We're back in Datasette world. And I am getting somewhat baffled. Maybe even somewhat frustrated. So what I think I'm going to do, before I carry on with anything else, is I'm going to take some DEOXIT. Ta-da! And I'm going to spray it into the connectors of all the datasets. And then I'm going to give them a little workout on the port. Because micro-corrosion is bad. Okay. That's that one. And what cable is this one? Oh. Micro corrosion. Okay. Give it a little workout. The 64, by the way, is off. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Good. Oh, here's a black one. Maybe I should have done this first. All right. That's 4 done. Let's see. Oh, here's the one that definitely has had some work done to it. Remember, there's 8 of them here. There are indeed. And I suppose another thing I should do is perhaps clean all the heads. I believe I now have one stable tape. Oh dear. To work with, I think. Or I suppose, you know what? I suppose if I was really not wanting to spend all this time on these, then it may not end up being very beneficial. I suppose what I could do is I could just take them to the show and say those horrible words, untested. But I would rather have people know what they're potentially getting. I think I would. All right. So Okay, so here we have a whole pile of data sets. We do. So this one here, have I marked it at all? Is the one that I think is providing the working happy tape, I believe. Which now, of course, I don't even know where that is. Where is the tape? I don't know. Oh, is this it? Okay, we'll put that over here. Okay, so now that's all been cleansed. Maybe I should have done that before. I suppose I should do the heads. I am getting a little tired and frustrated with this. So I think I will go and do something else. I will let this kind of soak in. I've got some stuff on my shirt, so maybe I'll throw this in the wash and find a more suitable, not so fresh and lovely brand new shirt to risk at this. And I'll get back to this. If you know much about data sets and you have any enlightening advice, I would love to hear it. I would. I would indeed. So thanks for coming. We'll see you again back in the TV room, which is now the Dataset room. And you know what? I'm sure there's more. I'm sure there's more. Ah. Bye for now.